students, in this video, we will revise the topic quadrilaterals. As it is mentioned there, the properties of quadrilaterals are like the first one is four sides, right? The second one is four vertices, corners, interior angles that add to 360 degrees. When we add the 68-degree, right? Um, 118-degree, 94-degree, 80-degree, and 68-degree, it gives you the sum of 360-degree. The second diagram, there are four right angles when we multiply by 4 to get this 360. So the sum of a quadrilateral is 360-degree. Okay, let's check the types of a quadrilateral. The first one, the rectangle, all the angles 90-degree angle. The second one is a square here, right? The third one is rhombus. The fourth one is parallelogram, then trapezoid, and the kite. Okay. We know that rectangle and square, all sides are equal, all four sides are equal, four angles are equal, which is 90-degree. Rectangle, you people know that the opposite sides are equal and all four angles are 90-degree. Rhombus uh, and trapezoid and kite, let's uh, revise these shapes, right? The first one is a rhombus here. In a rhombus, students, as you can see here, the opposite sides are parallel, right? And opposite angles are equal. So in the first picture here, the opposite sides are parallel, like this one, right? S and S, they are parallel to each other, right? They never meet. And then the S and S, this side, they are also parallel, right? So angle A and that one, right? The equal and B and that B is also equal. Okay, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal here. Now here is diagonals. The second diagram of the rhombus is like there are four parts here, right? And the last is the example of the rhombus, like 84, right? This angle B and this is B dash, they both are same, and this 96 A degree and this is A dash, they both are same, right? So it says that the opposite angles are equal and the parallel sides are also equal, like A dash B is equal to A and B, right? And A dash and B dash, A dash and B dash is equals to means like parallel to, right? Not equals to parallel to A and B. Right, students? Okay, we have done the rhombus. Now, trapezoid, or you can say trapezium. Okay, trapezium, you can say it has a pair of opposite sides, right? It has a pair of opposite sides are parallel. Like this one, you can say A, one. This is A and B is parallel to C and D, right? The second one is isosceles trapezoid. It's a special type of a trapezium, and it has like left and right sides of the equal length. They join to the base of the equal angle. So this one, right? This is if this one is 5 centimeter, so the other side is also 5 centimeter, right? They both are same sides. Left and right sides both are same. And the angles are also same here, right? And only the isosceles trapezoid. Okay. This one is, for example, if this one is 60-degree here, so the other one is also a 60-degree. Okay, now let's see the example of the trapezium here, but this the example is not the isosceles trapezoid. This is like a simple trapezoid here, right? So here let's see the angles. The angles, angle A and angle C. Both the angles are different here. Angle B and angle B and angle is B dash. That is also a different angle here. But make sure that students it's a quadrilateral when we add all these four angles, so it gives you the sum of 360 degree, right? Okay, the second part, the second shape here is the kite. Kite, it has two pairs of side. Each pair is made up of two equal lengths, right? Right, length side that joined up, and the like more the pointers are added in the kite, like the angles where the two pairs meet are equal. The diagonal shows as a dashed lines above meet at the right angle, and one of the diagonal bisects cut equally in half of the other. There are few examples of the kites are given. Let me explain it for a minute. Sorry. So it has two pairs of side. Each pair is made up of two equal lengths, right? Okay. Sure. Okay. The both things are repeated. It's okay. So the shape. The first one, can you see this? Here, the red line, right? So here it says that it has two pairs of sides. Each pair is made up of two equal sides, right? So these red lines, they are equal, right? The blue one is equal to that side, and the red side is equal to the two shorter sides, two longer sides. This is the shape of a kite, right? The example for the kite, like with the angles and with the sides are giving to you here. If this one is angle B is 105 degree, so B dash is not 105 degree, that is 63 degree. Okay, so here the angle C and this angle A, they both are equal. That's why it's mentioned here A and angle A here. They both are same measurements of the angle. Right, students? Okay, we will solve the kite questions after the explanation of these definitions. Let's move down. Okay, now when we scroll here, we can see that we need to write down the names of the following quadrilaterals, right? Okay, first shape. Yes, students, what is the name of the first quadrilateral here? See, the opposite sides are equal. Like it's 50 here and that is also 50. This is 130 here and that is also 130. Do you think that this is a kite? No, this is not a kite. It is a rhombus, right? And we have revised the definition of rhombus in the previous part. Okay, now the second diagram. Second diagram, do you think this is a rhombus? No, this is not a rhombus, but this is a type of a rhombus, right? So it is a type of a rhombus. It's a special type of a rhombus. Like you can say that there is a triangle and a right angle triangle. Okay, so the right angle triangle is a special type of a triangle, right? It is not a triangle, but it is a special type of a triangle. Like in a right angle triangle, there's a one right angle triangle here. Okay, that's why it's a special type of triangle. So this, the second shape is not a rhombus, but it is a type of a rhombus, which is a kite here. So how did you differentiate that this is a kite? See the adjacent side of this one, right? This side and the both sides equal, right? And these two sides are equal. So the first two sides are shorter, and the next these two sides are longer than them. That's why it is a shape of a kite here, right? Okay. Now the second shape here, so easy, right? This one is trapezium. Okay, now the last one, everybody knows that this is a parallelogram. We have learned the properties also, right? Okay, let's move. Let's scroll down. Okay, now solve the following quadrilaterals. Okay, how are you going to solve it? So figure A, you need to tell me what is the measurement of angle. Sorry, what is the measurement of angle A? B is 72 degrees. So what is the measurement of angle A here? What is the name of this shape? The shape is parallelogram, right? And we know that the opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel. Now here, see, this is we can solve this by the help of the supplementary angle. How come? Look, D and A. Okay, this become a supplementary angle. So some of us, these are the interior angle of a parallelogram, right? So when we minus it from 180 degree, you will get the answer. Okay. So I'm only explaining to you, but you need to find out your answer by your own, right? So here, angle A, are you going to find out minus it from 180 degree? Okay, then you will get the answer. That what is the measurement of an angle A? When you minus it, you will get the answer. You know that what is the subtraction answer. Okay, now let's move down. Let's go down. Now figure B. Now figure B, I'm explaining to you. Like figure B, what is the name of this shape? The name of this shape is a kite. Can you see this? This is congruent to this one. This is equals to the. I mean that AB is equals to AD, right? And BC is equals to CD here. So here that the question comes like what is the measurement of angle B? Here you need to find out. Are you going to find out the measurement of angle B? So as we know that they both the sides, right? B and D. Angle B equals to angle D, right? We have learned the property as well. So how are you going to find out if you will find this part, B has like two parts here, okay? B has two parts here. D has also two parts here. So the first shape of a kite here is, sorry, first shape of a kite, 1 minute, I'm talking about this one, right? This one. So how are you going to find out? So here, this one and this angle. For example, if this one is X, okay? This is X and this is also X. So I'm going to find out the value of X and we know that the sum of a triangle. So the sum of a triangle is 180 degree, right? So when we minus it from 180 degree, like 95 plus X gives you 2X. Right? This X and this X, right? These two X when we add gives you 2X equals to 180 degree. Reason because the sum of a triangle is 180 degree. So 2X equals to 180 degree minus 95 degree. So whatever your answer comes, okay, then what you need to do, then you need to divide it by 2. Then you will get X, right? Then you will get the value of X here. Okay. Acha. Now here when we check the second triangle, which is B, C and D. So 50 degree is giving to you, but this part is not giving. Another part is not giving. Sorry, let me take the another color. Let me take yellow. This part is not given. This one is not given, right? So here, like in the previous triangle, we took X and X, and I'm taking Y and Y. Okay, we're taking Y and Y. Similar is like that. Okay. So are you going to solve this? So here, this is about X1. Okay. Now let's do the Y1, the second triangle. Same thing. So 50, right? Plus 2Y equals to 180 degree. So 2Y equals to 180 minus 50 degree. So whatever the answer comes, right? you need to divide it by 2. Then you will get y here. Okay. So this x value and y value, when we add both of them, we will get angle B. Got it, students? Right. So you need to find out the answer by your own. Okay. Okay. Let's solve the next diagram. The next diagram here, it's a triangle, right? Three-sided figure. Now, you need to find out the measurement of every vertex, right? It means like every angle you need to find out. Angle A, what is the measurement of angle A? What is the measurement of angle B? And what is the measurement of angle B here, right? So B is already given. Okay, B is given. B is like angle B, it's 54 degrees. But you need to find out what is angle T and then what is angle A, right? But first of all, here it is written in expression 3x plus 30 and 2x plus 3. So you need to find out the value of x. Okay. So how are you going to find out the value of x? As we know that the sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. Right? So when we add both of them, like 3x plus 2x gives us 5x, right? Plus 54 plus 30, 84, and 84 plus 3, 87. Okay. Hmm. Okay. And we minus it from 180. It gives you 93. Right? And 93 divided by 5. So you will get the value of x. It gives you like 18 points. Right? So now 18.6 here. So what we need to do, how are you going to solve this 18.6? 18.6 multiply by this expression, right? So in this expression, so there's like 3x plus 3, no? 30, sorry. So 18.6 multiply by 3, right? And then plus 3 in it. 18.6 multiply by 3, it gives you 55.8 and then plus 3, so 58.8. So this is 58.8. Same thing that you need to do like with the 2x plus 3 here, right? So here the second one is 2x plus 3. So 2 and x value we have found, which is 18.6. 2 multiplied by 18.6 plus 3. When we multiply 18.6 multiply by 2, it is 37.2 and then plus 3, right? So we will get this 42.2. So this angle is 40.2, right? This is how that you need to find out. But in this question, the triangle, first of all, very important to find out the value of x. Once we will find out the value of x, then you need to substitute the value x in angle T, angle A. and then in the end you will find the individual measurement of angle, right? Okay, let's check. Do we have another question? Yes, we do. This question is also very easy here. Can you see this? A triangle, right? This is isosceles triangle, right? So this one is x here, and the other one is also x. So, but the question says you need to find out ECD, angle ECD. You need to find out C here, right? So how are you going to find out here? Like x and x gives you 2x plus 100 degree, okay, equals to the sum of a triangle is 180 degree. So 2x 180 degree minus 100 degree. It gives you 80, and when we divide it with 2, it gives you 40, right? So the each angle here is like it's like when you divide it, it gives you 40, right? So this each angle, that angle C is 40 degree and D is also 40 degree. When we add sum of this triangle EDC, it's 180 degree. Okay, so here basically angle C is 40 degree. Okay, let's check with angle CBE. CBE. What is the measurement of B here? The B angle is 90 degree. Okay, so I hope that student, you people understood this triangle, quadrilateral very clearly, right? Okay, thank you.